Hello, good evening. Today is wheatgrass harvest day. This is the first round of yield we have got since past 1 week. Maybe after 4 or 5 days I get almost nearly 1 week. And this is to have a juice shot early in the morning to have healthy blood circulation and blood purification. So there's a lot more process involved after the harvest of this grass. You can have it in the 2-3 ways, whichever possible way you feel like having. Mix whatever you like to add some flavor into it, and I have already done half of the harvest. Just amazed by the growth. I did use only almost 50 grams of wheat and made it to sprout them for 1 or 2 days, and then I have put them in the soil to have this much of harvest yield. Now it's time to harvest. Totally enjoying the way it has grown and enjoying the harvest as well. So happy. It's like I'm truly in the live field and playing with the grass, perfectly feeling the soil, its moisture, its nutrition. Very excited to have it.
జ్యూస్ చేద్దాం ఎప్పుడు అంటున్నా.
Perfect evening time to harvest. Just now had a cup of tea, enjoying the movie. I'll show you which movie I'm watching. My most favorite movie. Comedy. Category comedy. మమ్మీ ఇట్లా కట్ చేసేటప్పుడు క్లోజ్ అప్
ఫోటోనా?
వీడియో క్లోజ్ అప్. మా స్నాక్స్ చూద్దాం సార్.
గ్లాస్ కనబడుతుంది బస్.
ఇట్లా
ఇట్లా
క్రాస్
మొత్తం పడతలేదు.
పడుతుంది, దూరం పట్టాలి.
నువ్వు దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి అంటున్నావు.
దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి దగ్గర షాపుకి Happy Raksha Bandhan. Yesterday was Raksha Bandhan. Belated Happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you and all your family members. I enjoyed a lot yesterday. Sweets, beautiful Rakis, and my gifts. I bought a sari. And yesterday was a blast. In total, అవైతే మరి ఏం చేయాలి? భలే 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 మొగాడిపోయి once it gets ready, I'll include the juice shot. Have fun making similar wheatgrass growth with microgreens at your home. Enjoy, stay healthy, stay safe. It's definitely nourishes your body and improves your blood by removing the impurities. We'll talk about more nutritious value of this grass and more other uh, nutritious food in later videos. Bye, 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 bye. Okay.